arrived at the entrance to Kulen Mountain, and Sochit tells us it's about a 20-minute drive up before we reach our destination, and there is where we will go swimming, right?
Yeah, it's amazing.
And that's going to be a waterfall up there, and Sochit tells us it's the most beautiful place in this part of Cambodia. But you can't always believe Sochit. He's a bad boy.
Yeah,
He tells a lot of stories, and it's okay.
Talk a lot.
Yes,
He talk a lot.
he does. But the drive up is very pretty. Very pretty. So, interesting fact, coming up the mountain, traffic goes one way. So, up until 12 o'clock, you can only go up the mountain. And then after 12 o'clock, that's the only time you can start coming down the mountain. Unless, of course, you come across somebody on a motorbike who for some reason is coming down the mountain, but he probably works here or lives here or something. You come here, you plan on staying till at least 12 o'clock. I guess that's what I'm saying.
That's good for us.
Yeah. Good for us. We don't need to see it next. They pulled off to the side of the road. This is a viewpoint you guys are going to see. And obviously, we're not the first ones. So the view on the mountaintop. We will go over there too. You should sit down. You should. Well, no, it's not that. It's, you know you're going to injure yourself. their associate, guardian of our shoes and hats.
ដើម្បីជួយវត្តសម្ដៅទៅលើស៊ីម៉ងសាច់ដៃថ្មជាដើមបន្តជួយការសាងសង់កុដិបាទសារៈទី2នៅខាងមុខនោះក៏ต้องរកសំជាដោយស៊ីម៉ងបាទ
No Brahma.
So the Hindu god, that's Ganesha, the elephant. And
Vishnu.
what is Vishnu,
Yeah, the
the protector.
And Shiva, the creator and destroyer.
And Shiva, the creator and destroyer.
Because this guy's been really interesting.
All right, so that temple was the Priya Ang Tam temple with the reclining Buddha, and we're pretty much finished with the, let's call it the Temple Mount. And we're going to start heading towards the, a little further up the road to the waterfall. Actually, I think we walked there.